Monvanche mamprim kakra so monvanche me na Wednesday eye me bosom ne de to so ensom ya trasia no pay Ade Akye Abia dwumadi na ye de ebremo so hwenre na abo akasima be dumiensa na gese no nso eko akwakobo ya trasia if this amri akosi se 9:30 bebo aye be sorry no and they Wednesday well ni say Wednesdays bia no o kawasem nsem wo shawbo nsem wo tetewo nsem esisi wo manimo ye opesa wo kire wadwene de ekoso wo ba bia ebia ye ni ehun ye wo de tu ye nim ni nyina ma kwan ema wo de ba ema mansan ebu de ekoso wo mpotamu nti atrase and they Wednesday no ba kawasem o kawasem dwumedie so mede ede nana Yaw Boamah bia boga metinam ede amama konto manhene ye wadubu ache wetre ne na chi kakra neja spare time ise dia ma no pk etimi nsa nifa so na kuku ajando so ehye dwumedie no na ya grace akosua somua ntiapo man speed di mo kan say speedy recovery man speedy recovery pa nyame ayare satumi no enka no so me de bia me de me kase nyankopon no sayare e ma doctor for je hu sikadi no onfa na yare satumi no enka no se ne mantampia mu ena yenya yare santi ano pay akosua somu ase uti mi ageme so amen na yese wo hwan ye din amen ese wa mpayo no nka ho mzafo kwakwa santi ebo asoso atenase ano pay e wa ha menim se already from last night edi besi anopei me ya se akonya na sesa me ya pa se akonya na sesa na eneme na meti ha na ena ya bobasa match ewie na de kokosi brebesi ababesie na meti ha na bagodo ma ire yodubo ate enti asenga azate
yeah
bibia fine.
Hey, Enra Barcelona.
Za
Omo konkode na basa chese panimu di panyi. Inter chese panyi di panyi.
Omo ko kan tokwache ne.
Hey, Enra match on boy no for the records of Champions League. Yenye bihwe ya che
yes,
almost more than 10 years ago.
Yes.
Semi-finals. This duel.
Yes.
Boy, ade ba ko pe na mfa me penalties.
Nanka ombebo pana.
Nanka it has given us just like watching a World Cup. Bia woman that 180 minutes no. Comebacks wait to share. And na basa ya there.
Oh yes.
Basa ya there.
Na de omotete man be 2-2 no.
Sa share 3-2.
Basa na omo share 3-2. Me omo share 3-2 Rafinha share goal no there. Na menim say esibon no. Done deal basa wie game no.
Nyagro Let me catch you Inter for no.
Oh.
Na ade ba ko Inter team no well. Omo team shego. Team sin na obi akonsidi.
Obi
asa shego.
Enti no.
But name need say Liberty for no me basa for sa. So musu.
Liberty Conference board.
Brother my hand ya sa omo ro.
Sa o de basa ra sa omo.
Sa omo.
Eju omusu.
Me no pemidru ho. Liberty well. I am a penny pa I am yako.
Omusu omo ye. Hey, basa funny ye.
Na grank in judicial go e share Inter Park Kumasi ne Ghana betra hin.
Na mo ne mo bram penifo Inter fo we kwa kobo. Na ye say everybody mu say Inter players which o ma bre. O ma bosi. Na me no be say 4 no. Ohun say o ma decide say nyom de basa players be wu
ni me bie
go ni me nyom no be wu. Oh no, the Italian defense, the Italian football no. Oh wow.
Was Inter Milan for no. Omo AC Milan in the beginning now omo nya virtual the same club.
Yes.
Inter foreign perception say omo dey omo foreign players no.
Yes.
You omo team na foreigners be local players come. Omo no be for. And you know, I had a very good night for football.
A nice game near witness here. And na bibia bi wom bibia bi ewo match na nra ye hu ye mama for chere say ene Wednesday ye hwe de Arsenal so ene PSG de bekwa akosie Champions League ye hwe de bekwa akosie ene enti ye hwe ni nyina aka ho bi ni nyina eka ho bi so hu me mo bonsam no so kakra the attorney general former attorney general mamenka ne sa Godfrey de bo adame chere say onte ase se asemu aba na yesi ye suspend chief justice na chief justice na ye yi na free honom no de oba bedina de no se kobasi ye koka nipa na asem a nipa na yeyi na free honom no de oba bedi na de ne mom na ebetena asem no so am yaka na wo asem na ye ka no wo na obenya so mfa so wo na wo betena se am yaka asem no asem we de ye ka ne se ni oso odwene ho awonte ase na nra de kosi wo court no yenkoi.
I find it very congruous because indeed, if at all there's any beneficiary from all of each involvement, the Judicial Chief Justice is really a direct beneficiary of this. Of course, it's a constitutional injunction for him to act as the next Muslim. But clearly, we cannot lose sight of the fact that whatever has happened, the benefit of that accrues to him. And it is incongruous in the constitutional history of this country. We've never seen any development like that before. Whenever there's a dispute as to the status of the Chief Justice in this country, start from 1980 to 410, start from 1983, 94, Aban, and we go to 2005, they're about J2 law. The Chief Justice in question panel the court, but never sat on the matter. I mean, so it cannot be right for the Chief Justice to sit on the matter. But that's it. We see the 3-2 ruling, very narrow decision. We wait for the reasons. When the reasons come, we definitely advise.
Observe to where the former Attorney General, Lawyer Godfrey Adamenti, of course, Supreme Court, Nana Seminana say, panel of judges na etna semnesono. Office and Semfata say the acting Attorney General, Justice Paul Bafuboni, etna 5 judges na. Omo etna semnesono. Ono na ye chairman etna semneso. Eti asemneso. If say wo asem no no, ekosisa there. Una obenya so mfa so ze una wo ate na akunya na memete so no yeyi ma free so no pk e na eba betena so na me masem aba no yesi pk na enkohwe na yenka asem na yekoya na ase eba ento fi se na papa no so sorry free asem no so den pafoforo eba betena so Otafo MP Lawyer Vincent Ekwasefua e na asem nyina otam ye ediko Supreme Court no so kasai
reasoning behind the ruling, and maybe from there we will be able to decide as to the next course of action.
End of the road?
Well, but let's just get the reasoning first. When we get the reasoning, of course, the 3-2 ruling suggests that the Supreme Court itself sees some reasoning in the arguments that we made in court. It tells you that argument or the reasoning that we advanced in court was quite potent. And so let's get the reasoning, and when we're able to get the reasoning, we'll be able to decide what we intend to do after.
And the way Otafo MP, Lawyer Vincent Ekwasefua, and yete no enkano. Na actually there is another grouper ye from more Third Force Alliance. You see CPP for ka ho GFP Ekwadonko party ka ho any other political parties bi no so maka omo abom omo kire say omo no mo ka kire MPP for say na no demonstration bi no omo ye no na mfa so bi ani so ade a President John Dramani Mahama ye no omo humfum so bi e wo ho say oyi Chief Justice no e de afri ho na de oye no so no oye ne kwaso ene ne kwaso pepepa emra kwaso no nam so a wode edis adwuma no nto mumfum so bia o president anamuntu a wotu no nti Third Force Alliance for ekikebi di kire MPP for pa
kwashe nembom oye nkunkembu asam na yezini komo Ibrahim oye muda da min saminti amanga Ghana Bar Association na yenyim den ka wana ada ai de wanye na efie wufu wanye na efie wondem sisi apo one was one that two it's not can that no chede yen so there is am two ma ye chekre ma yen you what the me ozikan say ahwe ya yem braku yin no ye 1992 constitution one article 146 in shaya why ye o constitution mu efa e kwana ye ba fadu ye yi otembuefu efi na egom anade then Chief Justice no say ehwema baby anyimu a wa tochima wo nchichaya President John Dramani Mahama wa shase orizi
Observe nti we the third force alliance for no yete wo mo enka ne CPP for ka ho GFP ka ho as a political parties ni binom ana om so mo kire se NPP for na muntu no mutu no wo mo ene wo mo ya adwene a enye ye kwan bia so some be demonstration ti se ne ase President John Dramani Mahama de mra ahye ne nsem na opeso yi Chief Justice ede efree honomo nti eno so ho asem eno no na Ghana Police Service the Criminal Investigations Department of Ghana Police Service the eternity afren say CID department no de atugya say abana ye koto no 2024 December ye 2 year NDC amanyuku edi nkunim President John Dramani Mahama esoye edi ne president parliament ye adwuma no bisine okọ ablekuma nofa aba omoto no honom no parliamentary de no yentimi enkan ye enkyere se NPP ne di nkunim anase NDC na edi nkunim e wo saa empesua no so wo mo akoso bem prensa electoral commission for no o makọ try so be kan bem prensa na prensa ne nyina no ya na epepie enya asem keto a Ghana Police Service ne CID for the atugya se wo mo are ready so protection bia and a bamboo bia also mo de ma electoral commission for no wo are ready so mo be yes ade no CID boss
EC is ready. We are always ready to provide the security. So I believe that they will take it up with the Inspector General of Police, but the service is always ready to provide the needed security supports for any exercise, whether it's the EC or any other institution. Somebody asked about the...
Observe nti we the CID boss and yete no enka no nyina ablekuma north empesua no so elections ye kokoto ye bisi no mu ne MP ho nsem eno no na NPP demonstration o mo ye no aba betodwa se efutu MP lawyer Alexander Afenyoma ke no na ye minority leader ne kese dom kuma na wo mrasebe gefiem no wona ye kandifo edi wo manim na papa yi ye se a police for atro no se kikri ni ntoko bia esi between no ene eye police constable bia ye se ye friend se force no for police for say omra no meboa wo mu na investigations bia wo so mu ye bia no wo mo atimi aye ewo ehonomo.
That we also, or there are videos in social media about an altercation or confrontation that happened during the demonstration. We captured it on our lenses as well. So it's a matter of investigation. If it's an assault, if it's a tussle or a confrontation, whatever it is called, it has to be investigated. So we've commenced that investigation. We've written to the Right Honourable Speaker of Parliament because he's a sitting member of Parliament. We've identified the police officers who were on duty at the scene. We have taken statements and we'll definitely update you in due course. Thank you very much.
And yes, so thank you, pa. We ACID boss so dear enono. Na senior police force so much the command speaker of parliament or much be the the minority leader. Letters nomnia they say parliament release honorable Alexander Afenyoma Kenema police for na omo any investigation ningina say sa police constable na your friend say force no you say opema Afenyoma Kembo just say ojum say be mani su brino no no so pa na sum emre kikiri no e course nti eno na police force say debi we say omo ehwehwem we ensi wo ba bia so say parliament anim ho no memra na MPP for person present or petition de ma parliament na sade no esi na honorable Alexander Afenyoma so no a petition the police the IGP the CID boss and the police hierarchy ni nyina said the course between or no and sa constable force no ni anye ho parliament na ura and ura parliament as minority leader onye hoho e wo hono na wapem ne bossa into ono so no ja self defense no pa na sum send here videos no isi nti we honorable Alexander Afenyoma Kenne ono so ne petitioner wode akwakoma the police boss IGP ne CID for no say omo eni hudwuma emfa ema no eno no ti krata ne da TV ne so no na President John Dramani Mahama release DCs for Ashanti region. President John Dramani Mahama the DCs ni diaba yamo boso kakra Asante DCs na nyaba DCs na nyaba na amanfo hwani mu omo a na omani da so mbenya appointment omo akọ interviews ni ade no na omo hwani mu enti me say yamo boso kakra ahafo no north tepa honorable Akwesi Adusei ona na NDC parliamentary candidate 2024
we na ema meti ase kakra the NDC for ni delay Ashanti region over kayana some of these constituencies it was in legal tussle and just say enko
yes
the person what
parliamentary candidate ne ba na say ye di nipa foforo eba so nipa no ko wini a oba be MP and is it an admission saying this is supposed to get to somebody in court case? I mean, I'm just trying to ask. I said, okay, Tepa so yeah, one of the constituencies are now Omodewo Kumasi High Court now no court man ruling no. And then somehow say at the end Akwakusie na Akwakusie. And Honorable Akwesi do say congratulations on a bankruptcy penny assembly members no ejini tumwa ewo Tepa. Ahafano South East Ibrahim Yamba Nelson Isaka ena eko honomo. Ahafano South West Abubakar Sadiq one of your parliamentary candidate.
One of the disputed constituencies.
Okay. Achumangwa Bieja North Mba Zakaria Alembela Alembela. Okay. Achumangwa Bieja South Wisdom Yaw Boamah. Oh, okay.
No a
parliamentary candidate. Ewo ho. Emma oye juma pa. Yeso nya close to about 20,000 votes. And this nye big that. Ewo I Achumangwa Bieja South for the first time. Wisdom Yaw Boamah, congratulations. Amansia South Benjamin Mafu. Amansia South ne he no. New Dubia. Edebi Manso Dubia. Okay. Amansia South. Manso neke say only could see idea there. Okay. Amansia West. Menu Prince.
I want to to Brunana.
Morris. Amansia West name Manson Kwanta. Amansia West Manson Kwanta.
Central ne to Bruno.
Yes. Amansia Central ne to Bri. Bekwai Isifu Isaka. Offenso South Frank Ousuamoa. Offenso South Frank Ousuamoa. And offenso North Caesar a champon. Caesar champon.
Caesar I say okay, Caesar one parliamentary candidate.
On an parliamentary candidate. Okay. Mamenko the next one so Edra Sechedumase Rafiu Adam Seidu Edra Sechedumase Sechere South Evans Amochumesi Evans Amochumesi Asante Achem Central Ebereza Eko Edu na say Konongo Kumawu Akwesi Amankwa okay on an NDC parliamentary candidate yes Sechere Central Samuel Somua Sechere Central Samuel Somua Sechere Afram Plains Abubakar Isaka Abubakar Isaka Sechere East Ibrahim Adams Sechere East Ibrahim Adams na say aguna ana Sechere East Sechere East ye efigase
Sechere East efigase Central na ye
aguna yes
ye papa
nana kansa buadu
and ye papa former administrator for NDC and ope wala sabebio
hona wala sabebio ko pribune yes Kwabri East Joseph Amankwa Kwabri East Joseph Amankwa Dwaben Eunice Ohenewa Ansu Dwaben Eunice Ohenewa Ansu Joso Jerine Asante ana Jerine Asante
na minim se din oba o se
I mean oba na se be ma Jerine Asante Joso Odotobri Emmanuel Oben Ajiman Odotobri Emmanuel Oben Ajiman Asante Achem North Sarah Amuakwa Asante Achem South Mame Safuwa Pia Mame Safuwa Pia Bosomche Abdallah Hamidu Abdallah Hamidu. Efija kwa abre North Emmanuel Jackson Aguma. Emmanuel Jackson Aguma.
And Yahweh. I say almost say 40 now, but out of I say Kababi.
Eka aka mampong wom.
And I have one. No, and as an a young Jan North so. I say horse. But Kessie Jan. Okay, me wo Efija kwa abre South. Pearl, Patricia Ankra. There were 2 constituents.
Adanse North, Charles Kofi Ogbe. Adanse South, Ohineba Kwabena Ando. Adanse Asokwa Albert Dakura. Bosume Frehon Charles Apia Kubi. Obuasi West, Fostilav. Apia Kanin. Obuasi East. Ajowu Kofi William. Achumangwa Bieja. Grace Ajimana Samoa. Ono zuzumi nua baba ko asokwa amo camel amo camel yes amo camel ya ye ni amo camel ena adanse akro from Gariba Muhammad Mustafa kwada so Eric Sibe so yes ye nua bako so ame Ousu
Frank
no also answer Frank no ye parliamentary kan tafo Abubakar Sadiq Overcrom Awel Sadat Ahmed.
No, so your candidate.
Okay. And as Mampon Ben Abdallah Al Hassan.
And
40 out of say 42 and
42 or 43.
Ashanti region was say 40. Is it 42? Yes, 42 districts. Yes. Say 5 and then 4 KMA. Oh. 5 constituencies in 4 KMA. Anambwa.
5 constituencies, nye bebia na obinya MCE.
Inti any 47 constituencies in Ashanti region. Inti na just 42 districts in Ashanti region. Inti we a lister aba. Asante yam komra.
Okay.
Yam komra na sports team ni wi a ni abebo boso kakra. Na fi ene Wednesday ya kan asem na